You ready to do this, Nathan?
Oh yeah.
Off to Les Chable in the rain. Fortunately, our shoes were already wet, so they're not gonna get any wetter.
Where are you gonna go?
Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. It's a shorter day today though, so it's in the rain, but it's not all day and we're not summiting anything, so it's gonna be okay.
At least we don't plan on summiting anything.
We don't plan on summiting anything. If we do, we got lost. So, off we go.
Day 4 is a short day, leading us from the lake village of Champex north through the valley to Sembrancher. On our way to Sembrancher, we were lost and stuck backtracking for about 2 hours. Eventually, though, we found our way west and toward our destination, Les Chable.
Do you have enough water for the trip? We're gonna die! To keep going and hope for the best. So we're gonna get wet, and that's just the way it goes. Rain's starting to let up a little bit. We'll hope it continues to do so. Down the track we go. Here's the finish line. Oh man, it's been a serious walk.